Hello guys, may binaba na po silang bagong script. So ngayon, dinadaan na po nila tayo sa semantics kasi sinabi ko po branch of government tapos DepEd.
Semantics? No. Your error goes beyond semantics. Yung mismong basic knowledge mo about how departments work with one another, yun ang wala kang idea. And this is Pinoy Extreme. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nagko-contribute yung iba't ibang departamento ng executive government para sa national security. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
You obviously know what I mean. Diba? Gets nyo na yan eh. O ahensya, parte, sangay, branch. It's still part of the government. DepEd is still part of the government. Also, if I made a mistake by saying branch, it's all semantics. I apologize. But now, you actually have to answer the question that I gave. What does DepEd have to do with national security?
Well, DepEd has a lot to do with national security. Well, kung kasing babaw nga ng kanal yung perspective mo, of course, hindi mo makikita kung paano nakikipagtulungan ang DepEd sa iba't ibang sangay or departamento ng executive branch para magkaroon ng national security. And patapusin lang natin si Gabe Pineda doon sa sinasabi niya. And mamaya titignan natin ang iba't ibang departments na nakikipagtulungan sa iba't ibang department din sa loob ng executive branch and especially sa ibang bansa. So, meron siyang ibang example sa ibang bansa na kung saan yung iba't ibang departments na doesn't sound like they are onto national security, malaki pala yung papel sa pagkakaroon ng or pag-develop ng national security nung bansa nila.
If all personnels within DepEd were trained to be educators, creators of law na pang-education, tagagawa ng mga polisiya na pang-education, ano pong connect niya sa national security?
Hindi ka man lang gumawa ng due diligence, di ba? Bago ka nagtatatanong ng ganyan sa internet. And the way you ask question is, it's very smug. So, ang taas-taas ng tingin mo sa sarili mo, nakala mo, checkmate ko sila kasi wala namang silbi yung DepEd sa national security kasi, hello, education, as per the word. Tuloy natin.
Ayan, considering that we already have agencies of the government, agencies, hindi po branch, sorry. Considering that we already have agencies of the government that deals with national security such as NBI, AFP, PNP, o Coast Guard, ano ba, Navy?
Well, sa totoong mundo kasi, may tinatawag tayong whole government approach when it comes to dealing with different kinds of problem and especially national security. Ngayon, para mas maintindihan nyo kung ano nga ba yung national security, para yung perspective nyo ay hindi maging kasing babaw ng kanal, ito po yung ibig sabihin ng national security. The definition of national security. National security refers to the protection of nation's sovereignty, territorial integrity, and the well-being of its citizens from external and internal threats. Traditionally, it emphasizes military defense against foreign aggression. However, modern definition encompass a broader spectrum including economic stability, cybersecurity, public health, environmental resilience, and societal cohesion. So, paano papasok doon yung whole government approach when it comes to dealing with national security? First, magbigay muna tayo ng isang example ng national security. COVID pandemic. So, ilang ahensya ng gobyerno ang nagtulungan nung panahon ng COVID pandemic? DOH, Department of Interior and Local Governance. Andyan na rin yung kapulisan, andyan na rin yung Philippine Army. At andyan pa yung DSWD, andyan pa yung kung ano-ano. Too many to mention. Now, as what I've said, kung mababaw lang yung perspective mo on how you will solve the problem, of course, you will not be able to see kung paano magtutulungan yung different agencies ng gobyerno. Ang iniisip lang kasi ni Gabe when it comes to national security ay yung mga terorista, yung mga sumusugod na ibang bansa. Ganun lang kasi kababaw yung alam niya. Kaya hindi ko siya masisi na hindi niya alam kung paano ipapasok yung DepEd doon sa parte ng national security. Ngayon, magbibigay tayo ng direct example na kung paano nakikipagtulungan yung iba't ibang ahensya doon sa ibang bansa sa kung paano sila mag-contribute sa national security. So, yung education departments ng ibang bansa, ang role nila sa national security ang counter-extremism by integrating programs that teach critical thinking, civic responsibility, and tolerance education systems help prevent radicalization. And pwede din yung STEM development like promoting science, technology, engineering, and mathematics which creates skilled workforces for cybersecurity, defenses, innovation, and technological advancement. So, katulad nga nito, sabi dun sa US, yung Department of Education collaborates with the agencies like Homeland Security to combat online radicalization through student awareness program. Alam mo yun, buti pa yung US, they have the awareness na pwedeng gamitin yung mga bata para i-radicalize into extremism. Kaya ang isa sa magandang collaboration ng Department of Education nila sa ibang bansa is to actually start teaching kids about extremism. So tapos na tayo magbigay ng example sa ibang bansa. Pumunta naman tayo sa example mismo dito sa Pilipinas. Gabe, makinig ka.
DepEd shuts down 55 salugpungan schools in Davao. Sinut down yung mga schools na yan dahil hindi sila registered sa DepEd at they are being handled by the communist terrorists. Now, Gabe, hindi pa ba enough para sa'yo na magkaroon ng ganitong threat sa mga bata? Take note, hindi pa mga college yan, mga bata, literal. Tinitrain na sila, binibrainwash na sila para magkaroon ng panibagong soldiers yung communist terrorist group. So, is this not enough, Gabe?